Hey there, easy traders! Welcome to a new trading session video. During this session, we will be looking to trade with the Bollinger Band's trading strategy. We are on the Countdown Plus platform and are in our practice demo account, and we are looking at the EUR/USD charts to kick off. So how does the Bollinger Band strategy work? If you are looking at the line chart, do switch over to the candlestick chart. The first thing you will need to do is add in the Bollinger Band indicator shown as BB here and enter the values 20 and 2 in these fields and press here for the indicator to be added. You can trade this strategy in any time frame, but since we are looking for quick trading opportunities, so we are going to look into the 1 minute chart, but it's highly volatile, so keep that in mind. So the Bollinger Band indicator indicates an overbought level with the top line. The central line is a simple moving average, so it helps to show the trend where the price is currently going. So there is a slight downtrend at this point, and then you can look at the lower line, which is the oversold level. So if the price bounces, it means it is oversold at that point and people are buying back again. Now for this strategy, we also need to draw some simple support and resistance lines. So let's zoom out first. Click here and choose the horizontal line. Let's set one here, as it seems like the price has bounced over a few times. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Let me change the color for this line. Set to red lines as your support lines, and set to green for your resistance lines. You can see the price has bounced down of this area, so now we have a nice little range down here. So this is where the price has dipped and hit the Bollinger Band oversold level, and it hit the support level at the same time. This is where one would buy. I can actually go in and do a high trade. Turn on one-click trading so that you can make a trade immediately. This strategy requires quick actions, and this is important. In this case, I think I got in at the right time, and let's see how it works out. So this is the strategy to give a quick intro on what support and resistance lines are. Resistance lines are where the price hits its highs and bounces down as it is overbought and more people sell. Similarly, support lines do the opposite. We run out of sellers in this area. So once the lower Bollinger Band line and the support level hits, that's when you want to do a buy trade. The chances of you winning is high, and similarly, when the upper line and the resistance line is hit, that's when you want to sell. Let's look at the last trade to see how it's going. The last trade is going well. I'm a bit late with this trade, but it looked like a good opportunity to me, and now we have a win over here. So it's been roughly 3 to 4 minutes since we logged in, and we got an opportunity, and we have a win. The trick here is to be patient and look for opportunities across symbols. Let's switch to USD/JPY. No standout opportunities here. Let's look at USD Swiss francs. You can see the price went down through a cash dropping below the bottom Bollinger Band line. This might be driven by news. We can do the same thing here. Draw a few support and resistance lines, so you can see the price has hit a few times right here. Let's draw a green line here, and you can see this is a support line. So let's draw one here and change the color to red. The price has broken out of the Bollinger Band, so we are looking for the price to hit the support line and bounce back. So when it hits, we will enter a buy trade, so we will need to wait and be patient. Let's look at the Euro/USD chart again. We are hoping the price to hit the resistance line again. I think this is a good location for the price to bounce off. It's always good to monitor more currency charts to trade. So the price is now at our support line. I think it's a good place for us to enter the trade. Let's see how this candle closes. The new candle is green and we are going high. The price hit a support line and it is retracing after getting out of the Bollinger Band line. The only question is, will it hold? So that is another successful trade. We have earned another $80 odd. This session looks pretty profitable. Let's keep looking for other opportunities. Again, one could simply trade between the Bollinger Bands, but there is a bit of risk. That is why we combine the support resistance lines with the Bollinger Band indicator. I think there is an opportunity coming up here. Let me draw some support and resistance lines. This point seems like a strong support and resistance line. Ooh, this is perfect. I'm going high at this point. Let's see, this is going to be close. A nice little trade happened here, and this is another win for us. So the trick over here is to be patient and trade when the conditions are right. So you draw your support and resistance lines where the price has hit multiple times, and then you wait for the Bollinger Band lines to hit either of those lines. When that happens, trade in the opposite direction. I have been trading for 30 minutes roughly, and I'm up $200 plus, which seems like a nice little profit for the day. For 30 minutes of work, it seems like good value. There will be some days it will be lesser profits, some days more, but stick to the strategy and you should be profitable. Good luck trading. We will be bringing more strategies, so follow our Facebook and Twitter to get notified of new posts.